Hi, I'm Steve Ludwig. I'm a father, I'm a husband, and during the past 23 years, I have built an insurance agency worth over 9 figures. In that building of that 23 years, I've learned a lot of things along the way, and I've been able to build out of that what we're calling the business in a box. This business in a box is going to be able to help you to guide you around the potholes in the road that I've experienced to make sure you don't fall into those. I have found during that time period that there is usually 5 different pain points, which I'm about to go over with you. Pain point number 1, you're overspending for underqualified leads. How many times have you spent hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars on leads, had to pay a bunch of money up front to be able to get more for your money, only to find out that you have been ultimately let down? When you try and be able to contact the lead, the person has been just piled on and contacted so many different times that by the time that you reach them, they're trying to be able to hang up the phone faster than you can be able to get a word in edgewise. This is not a lead. This is oversaturating the market. This is a problem in the insurance market that I can be able to help you with. The Mr. Insurance solution is we self-generate these leads. Nobody else gets access to this other than the Mr. Insurance team. Your prospect knows exactly why they're being contacted, or they will directly reach out to you and try and be contacting you, which happens more times than not. So where you would have spent a ton of money on an underqualified lead, you now are spending a fourth in many cases to be able to receive a lead that is overqualified, that knows exactly again why they're contacting you. And this gives you a better opportunity to be able to close the deal. Pain point number 2, people not having the resources for admin support. How many times has it been where you're trying to be able to sell and you are overshadowed by customer service and busy work, as we like to call it? So instead of having to deal with that, the Mr. Insurance team offers to you is resources. We give you access to our admin and all the support that exists around it. We have it to where questions are answered by our staff. Their process changes. If you need to have anything taken care of where you need to reach out and contact, we have all those resources that are built into this system for you. You don't have to worry about that, and you can do what you do best, which is get out there and sell and make a living and bring in new customers. Pain point number 3 has a lot of reference to pain point number 2, which is lack of customer service. So another reason why agents fail is because they are overshadowed by too much customer service and not enough selling. They don't have the time or the means as a one-man or one-woman show to make sure that they are taking care of their customer and making sure that they're properly serviced, or that they have enough time to be able to sell. They run into a situation to where their sales are affected because of this. We offer that solution for you to make sure that all that heavy lifting is taken care of. Your customer service team is going to be able to reach out to that customer as soon as that customer is sold to let them know these are the people that we need you to contact. Here's the different contact methods to be able to make sure that that customer is now reaching out to the customer service team rather than you, which means that you have more time to get out there, bring in new customers, to be able to sell, and to be able to ultimately make more money. Pain point number 4 is not getting paid quickly. In the P&C world, you have usually where the dates run the 25th to the 25th, and whatever you get during that time, you get paid the following, usually 10 or 15 days later. The problem is that that doesn't work for a lot of people to just get paid once a month. Mr. Insurance has solved this for you because we pay every single week. We have found a way to keep the checks coming in on a weekly basis. So everything you do from Monday to Sunday, you get paid that following Wednesday. Pain point number 5 is people don't have the necessary tools and resources when it comes to marketing and branding. This is so key when it comes to your success as an agent, because if nobody knows what you do and you're not an expert in your field, nobody's gonna contact you. So what the Mr. Insurance solution is that I've gotten together with my cabinet of resources to give you the best of the best. These are people that have been in the industry that are leaders of industry. These are people that are tried, true, and tested. These are people that I also currently use myself. So I have been able to test it for you and been the guinea pig before I ever offer it to you. I will not offer any kind of services to people if I do not trust the person that I am sending or referring that person to. I just won't do it. There's been all too many companies that I'm sure that many of you have experienced that have let us down, that have overpromised, underdelivered, and at the end of the day, we're stuck in contracts that we don't want to be in. We're not getting the results that we want to get, the ROI. The thing that I also do with this is because I already know that this works, I will guarantee you that you will get results or you don't pay for anything. If you are an insurance agent and you have experienced one of these pain points that I've talked about here, let a person that has 23 years of experience, that has built a 9-figure insurance company, help you avoid those potholes in the road.